What's going on, my beautiful people? Que hola, mi gente guapa. So today, I was just sitting in my hands. I was expecting nothing from the market. We had this accumulation in here. I was like, okay, my bias is neutral. I want to see how the market is gonna react when it opens. I just enter. This is a demo trade to show you that you can trust the fair value gaps that are created. The market is on a seek and destroy environment. Like, it's super easy. I'm realizing that, like sometimes I get frustrated when I cannot be in front of the computer, for example, because I'm working. And then when I get out of work, I go and I analyze the market and I be like, oh shit, there's so many opportunities, like so many A plus setups and shit. For example, in here, right? Like, I mean, you can enter, you would enter in here on a short, you know, stop loss in here, take profit in here. Why? Because you swept the relative equal highs, whatever, but it's out of the macro. But like you have an opportunity, right? So let's say that you enter in here, and now like you have another fair value gap, and now this is getting inverse. Um, Fair value gaps are being disrespected left and right today. So like I just opened this. This is my area of interest for the day. But look at this accumulation zone. We've been like literally for an hour doing nothing. If you look at the 5 minutes, look at this chart. Like this is not beautiful. You're gonna tell me that, oh man, there's a lot of opportunities in here. You have a fair value gap. You could enter in here or the 50% with your stop loss in where? Because this is another one. For all I know, the market could have just like get in here and stop you out, or what you're gonna have. If you want to cover your position, you're gonna have 86 handles stop loss, whatever. So I came to the market, right? The market was accumulating. um we opened Asia, like before London. We make this new high, and then we were accumulating at 8:30. We swept the low, and I was like, okay, if this is something, I want to see how the market, when it opens, it swept that low again. It swept it, it created a SMT. And I was like, is this a market maker buy model? Because this looks nice. And then I was like, okay, we have news at 10. Yeah, we had news at 10. I was like, okay, you gotta be careful, buddy. So we start the rally. I marked the first fair value gap. We start the rally on the 15 minute. We have a fair value gap on the 5 minute. We have another one. Oops. We have another one. Let me go in here. All right. So we have another one right here on the 5 minutes. So I was okay. I want to see the market do this, right? This is the opening. I want to see the market how it goes up, then goes down. You see how it touch it, and then go up. Okay. So this would have been my full TP, right? But because we had news at 10, I was like, okay, let me just wait and look at this candle, bro. Like stopped people left and right. This is ridiculous. Thanks God that I waited. Just a minute after the news happened, I was like, okay, let me see what we have in here. So we went up, we created a new high. I marked it, went up, went down. We didn't grab the liquidity. On the way up, we created a fair value gap. And this is my only trade that I took today. I only make 140. It was a quiz cap from here to here. Um, from here to here. My stop loss was very tight because I didn't trust it. That was the trade that I took today, literally. And thanks God that, like I aimed for this. I wasn't greedy. Or it was this one. It was this one, yeah, this high. Cause then look at this. We reversed and we literally went down to the bottom of the candle that was created on the news. The only good opportunity that I see that happened today, literally, it was after the fact. This one, this retest right here, okay, is in confluence with a 15-minute order block. We grabbed the liquidity. We didn't close below it, and then we created a fair value gap right here. That fair value gap right there is the one. That would have been the best trade of the day, in my opinion. I didn't take it because, like I already, like, I was watching the price action. I was like, you know what, let me study. But that would have been the play. Why I didn't trust it? Because of this, bro. Like, look, go to the 5 minute. Look at this. Look at this price action. It's ridiculous. Like, it's not clear, not clear opportunities. So I was just sitting on my hands. Also, it was 10:36, so it wasn't inside of a macro. But anyway, that was the opportunity that I saw, and I was tape reading it, but I didn't take it. So as you can see, like, let's say that you want to take quick scalps, and you're waiting for the liquidity to get swept and then enter on the market structure shift kind of thing. So it's just ridiculous. So let's say that this will create the market structure shift that you're waiting for after grabbing the liquidity, right? You grab the liquidity from here, you're waiting for shorts, market structure shift, inverse fair value gap, you enter in here, you would have been stop out real quick. And not real quick, even worse, slowly, So you gotta be careful with days like this. This was $100 like a minute ago and then went down to 7. It's just, look at this price action. It's not clear. So might as well just sit in your hands. And this is what I expect the price to do. If anything, uh, either we grab this liquidity. If you go to the 15 minutes, there's nothing clear. The 5 minutes, we have these fair value gaps in here. So if we grab this liquidity on the sell side, maybe we can move to the upside, or the opposite. Grab the liquidity from the upside and move towards the downside. I don't care because I don't gonna be part of that. But just wanted to real quick jump in here and share with you guys the recap of the day, and also, this is the way that I do the lectures and my way to journal and analyze the trading, the trades that I took. Have a good weekend. Be safe out there.